Hello everyone. In this video I'm going to show you how to check the quality gates of Sonar Cube in your pipelines and make them fail if the quality gate doesn't pass. So first let's talk about the requirements. We need to install some plugins to interact with Sonar Cube in a proper way. So I already installed these ones. I have Sonar Cube Scanner for Jenkins. I have Quality Gate here, Quality Gates plugin, and Sonar Quality Gates. Okay, you need to install those and restart your Jenkins instance. After that, you need to configure your Sonar Cube instance within these configuration settings. If I search here, I can see the Sonar Cube server section where I can put a distinguishing name, and also I need to put the server URL for my Sonar instance, which is this IP address and the 9000 port. Also, I need to put a Sonar token in my credentials so my Jenkins instance can connect directly with my Sonar Cube instance. Okay, after I did these prerequisites, I can go back to my pipeline and see what the changes are required there. First, you will notice that I'm adding a new stage called Quality Gate Check. And here in the previous Sonar Cube analysis stage, I'm using this tag, this method, which is with Sonar Cube environment. And this is the name that I just put in the configure section that I just shown. So I'm telling my pipeline to use that Sonar Cube configuration. And as you can see here, my Maven statement is not displaying anything about credentials or anything about my host. I let this commented from my previous run where you can see the actual IP address, the port, and here you can see the token here at the end. But now I'm using the configuration that I just put in my Jenkins main configuration. That way, the pipeline or Jenkins will know what Sonar instance will use, and then it will be able to retrieve the quality gate information. For that, I have this function, wait for quality gate, and the action that I'm going to do, which is abort pipeline, and I set it as true. So let me show you how it works. I'm going to run, I'm going to build my pipeline. Okay, as you can see here the stages, I'm doing a checkout from my repository, I'm doing a build for my Maven application, running all the unit tests, also running the SonarCube analysis, and then I'm going to check for the quality gate. Okay, as you can see, the pipeline just finished and my quality gate has passed, so I can go to SonarCube and refresh this project, and as you can see, the quality gate has passed. But I have created another quality gate as a sample to make it fail and to validate that the settings in SonarCube, sorry, in Jenkins, in my Jenkins pipeline, is working as expected. So I'm going to build now. Now here in the project, I just updated the quality gate for another one here for custom quality gate. I just save it and it's running again. So let's wait until it fails. It should fail. Okay, it just finished, and as you can see now the quality gate has failed and it stopped the pipeline. If I go back to SonarCube, as you can see here the quality gate has failed as well. One thing that I want to mention is that this is not the only way to check for quality gate status. You can also to use the SonarCube API to build your own script, but this is the easiest way. So this is all for this video. I hope you enjoy it. Please subscribe to the channel. Thanks.